Now students, we will understand the pie chart. Pie chart are circular chart. पाई चार्ट एक सर्कल में होता है चार्ट, सर्कुलर चार्ट होता है जिसमें हम डेटा को लिखते हैं और अंडरस्टैंड करते हैं. विच ईच नंबर इज़ शोन एज अ फ्रैक्शन ऑफ द टोटल नंबर, जिसमें हर एक नंबर शो करता है फ्रैक्शन को, टोटल नंबर के फ्रैक्शन को. द फॉलोइंग पाई चार्ट शोज़ द लेवल ऑफ एजुकेशन इन अ सिटी. ये वाला पाई चार्ट स्टूडेंट शो कर रहा है एजुकेशन, एक सिटी की एजुकेशन के लेवल को. द पाई चार्ट इज़ डिवाइडेड इनटू 5 इक्वल पार्ट्स. एज यू कैन सी दैट द पाई चार्ट आर डिवाइडेड इनटू 5 इक्वल पार्ट, 1 2 3 4 and 5. Each part show 1/5. So each fraction of each part 1/5 or 20% of the population of the city. The pink portion is divided into 2 equal parts. As you can see that the pink portion is equal to 2 equal parts. So each part of the pink portion shows 1/10. So the fraction of each portion of the pink portion is 1/5. 1/10 or 10% of the population. From the chart, 1/5 of the people are illiterate, do not know how to read and write. Student, in chart 1/5 of the people are illiterate. They don't know how to read and write. 1/5 people have studied up to the primary class 5th level. Here you can see that 1/5 of the people studied up the primary level. 1/5 have studied up to the secondary class 10th level. 1/5 of the people studied in secondary level. 1/5 have studied up to the higher secondary class 12th level. 1/5 of the population, they can study in higher secondary level 12th standard. Now 1/10 are graduates. 1/10 are graduates and 1/10 of the population are postgraduate. Now suppose the population is 10 million. अब आपको सपोज करना है कि अगर टोटल पॉपुलेशन इसमें 10 मिलियन है सबकी, तो कैलकुलेट द नंबर ऑफ पीपल हुआ. तो हमें ये कैलकुलेट करने हैं नंबर्स पीपल्स के. क्वेश्चन 1 है इलिटरेट, हमें बताना है इलिटरेट पीपल कितनी है. सो 10 मिलियन का 1/5%, 1/5 ऑफ द पीपल आर इलिटरेट. सो 10 मिलियन का हम 1/5 निकालेंगे या 20% निकाल दें. 1/5 और 20%. सो 10 million total population. We will write ones, tens, 100, 1000. Ones, tens, 100, 1000. Ones, tens, 100, 1000, 10,000, 100,000, million. So ones, tens, 100,000, 10,000, 100,000, million. So 1 million population and the 20% of the 1 million are illiterate. So we will solve 20 20. So the illiterate people 20 0 20 0 2 0 0 2 0 0 2 0 1 2 3 4 5 1 2 3 4 5 and 2 1 2. So ones, tens, 100,000, 10,000, 100,000. So 200,000 people are illiterate. So the answer is illiterate people are 200,000. Now second question, educated up to primary level. Educated up to primary level. Same because the primary level fraction 1/5. So the same 200,000 people are educated up to primary level. Now graduates people. Graduates people, the fraction of graduates people is 1/10. 1/10 or 10%. So we will find out the 10% of 1 million, 10 million. Ones, tens, 100,000, 10,000, 100,000, million and 10 million. Sorry students, some mistake are there. The total population is 10 million. Ones, tens, 100,000, 10,000, 100,000, million and 10 million. 10 million. So we will write here 10 more. So the illiterate people, ones, tens, 100,000, 10,000, 100,000, million. So 2 million are illiterate and 2 million are educated up to primary level. Now graduates people. So 1/10 are the graduates. So we will find out the 10% of total population. So we will find out the 10% of 10 million upon 100. Now 20, 20. So the graduates people are ones, tens, 100,000, 10,000, 100,000, million. So 1 million people are graduates. Ones, tens, 100,000, 10,000, 100,000, million. Ones, tens, 100,000, 100,000. Ones, tens, 100,000, 10,000, 100,000, million. So 1 million people are graduates. I hope you will be understand well according to pie chart. Now in my next video we will understand the line graph. Thank you.